National coach Connie Francis believes that there were improvements in all departments following the Sunshine Girls' a clean sweep of Trinidad and Tobago's Calypso Girls as the curtain came down on the Sunshine Tri-Series on Wednesday evening at the National Indoor Sports Centre. Spencer Darlington has our summary.
The Jamaicans came away with a 73-22 victory, their widest margin of success in the series following their 71-22 and 64-32 wins in the first two encounters. Despite a few turnovers in a closely contested first quarter, the Sunshine Girls were still able to establish a 17-7 advantage at the end of that period. The home team increased the tempo in the second quarter, which turned out to be their most rewarding. Captain Janelle Fowler and Shanice Beckford took full command of the shooting circle as the home team outscored T&T 24-3, with the scoreline at 40-10 in their favor at halftime. A few more turnovers punctuated Jamaica's performance in the third quarter, but 14 goals from Fowler in that stanza and 9 from Beckford saw Jamaica up 57-16 at the break. The Trinis appeared to have run out of steam in the final quarter, where they were outscored by 16 goals to 6. Fowler, who ended with 41 goals from 46 attempts, was named the series MVP, while goalkeeper Shamira Sterling was adjudged Jamaica's player of the game. Fowler got support from Beckford, who shot 13 goals from 16 attempts, Giselle Allison 11 from 15, and Rebecca Robinson 8 from 11. Trinidad and Tobago's shooting was led by captain Khalifa McCollin with 14 goals from 16 attempts. She was also named their player of the game. Sunshine Girls coach Connie Francis acknowledged improvement in her team's overall play, while her Trinidadian counterpart Althea McCollin described her outfit as a work in progress.
They are young, so instead of driving sometimes straight to the goal, they could use the weight of the court. So there are a lot of things you're going to take back in relation to what happened here today.
Some areas is still work in progress because we started well. Our second quarter was extremely good, but then we went down. So it's about our turnovers and our placement of the pass and our movement. So it's really not over. We're going to play the England Roses, and we know the type of team that they are. So we have to control the controllables and to ensure that we take care of the ball and we give it to our fantastic shooters because they can shoot.
The Sunshine Girls will meet a Jamaican men's team also at the National Indoor Sports Centre on Friday. Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.